So it's just a day like another. You are running everywhere, trying to explain your service, responding to every call that you got, and then you receive this. Hey, just following up on my quote, can you come back to me? You saw it, you meant to answer, but then life happened. You forget, and you just lose a lead. Do you know that 65% of SME lose customers due to forgotten follow-ups? And this is not about motivation, not even about organization. It's about a place where conversations happen. And what if I tell you that this place is real and could offer open rate about 99%, response rate about 50%, click-through rate about 45%. Better than emails, no? Well, today, that place is WhatsApp. And the brain is Odoo. I'm Charlene, and I'm a business analyst, and today I will show you how you can talk to your customer where they are, thanks to the power of WhatsApp in Odoo. Don't forget to scan the QR code in order to ask your question in the pad. So for today, I will ask you to imagine. Imagine that you are a photographer. And as every photographer, you will have a website in order to show your portfolio, to get a contact form, so that the customer can contact you. And thanks to this beautiful website, people are calling you. People are filling in a form, people are sending you emails, and you are completely lost. But what if I tell you that with Odoo and WhatsApp, you will learn from message lost, no context, missed follow-up, stress, to clarity, to every lead remembered, to every code tracked, follow-up automated, and you at peace. So let's see in Odoo how you can do that. And first, we need to get some new leads and target them directly. So let's go into our database. In order to get new leads, I will use my website application and the website that I have here. You can see that I have a button in order to ask for a quote directly. And thanks to this button, I will be redirected to a contact form. So let's click on it. And here you can see that we have a contact form that will create an opportunity. And how to do this? I will click on the edit button. And by clicking on the field here, you will be able to choose the action behind this contact form. So here I will create an opportunity, but I can create a customer, I can subscribe to a newsletter, create a task, and an email. But here what I want to do is to create an opportunity. So let's save it like this. And now I will copy paste it in an incognito window so that I can act like a real customer. So I will put my name, I will put my phone number, then I will put my email address, my company, my subject. I want a shooting with my boyfriend. Can I get a quote? And then I can submit it. So now what I can do is to go back into my CRM application so that I can check this new opportunity. So I will go back into the dashboard and I will go into my CRM. You can see that now I have a new opportunity, which is I want a shooting with my boyfriend. And here you can see that the note is, can I get a quote? But what I want to do is to send them a WhatsApp message in order to tell them that we will come back to them as soon as possible, to her as soon as possible, and that we will send them a quote also. So what I will do is to use the WhatsApp template, just here, the WhatsApp button, and then you can use a template, a specific template to send to your new opportunity. And in this case, I will use this template, the lead, thank you. So you can see that we got your message, let's dive in. Hello Manon, thank you for reaching out about our studio service. We'll come back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter on our website. Have a nice day. So I can send a message, and here you can see that this is sent. And if I go into my WhatsApp application, I will receive it just in a few seconds. So this is there. We got your message, let's dive in, etc. So I have my WhatsApp message directly from here. And I will, of course, show you later how you can configure it. Don't worry. So now that I have this new opportunity, what I want to do is to send the quotation by WhatsApp. Cooler than email, of course. So what I can do is to click on the new quotation button, And here I will create a new customer and I will confirm. Then what I will do is that I want to add a product, so I will add the couple shooting 2 hours. I have automatically my unit price that is adapted, and then I will send this quotation thanks to WhatsApp. So I will save it, and I will use this WhatsApp button in order to send the quotation directly. So here it is. So that you will see it's adapted automatically. I have the name of the company, the name of my contact. I can see the quotation, and I can ask directly from WhatsApp to confirm the sale order, so that my future customer can just take his phone for his pocket and check the WhatsApp message and confirm the sale order just by a click. So let's do that directly and send this WhatsApp message to Manon. So it will take a few seconds to arrive. I think Manon has received a new WhatsApp. And here it is, and she will be able to confirm the order just on her phone directly. So let me know when it's done. So now I upload the page, and you can see that this order was signed by Manon just by receiving a WhatsApp message, and she's saying thanks directly. So I can see that she responds to me directly here in this discussion, but I will show it to you just after. So you can see that I have sent a quotation in turn into a sale order just by WhatsApp, and she's saying thanks, and everything is centralized into my database. So now that I have sent this sale order, you will see that in my previous WhatsApp message, I said, don't forget that you get 10% off if you come in our stores. So let's see together what about sending a post invoice by WhatsApp. And it's easier than paper, of course. So what we will do is to go into our point of sale application. And here I will continue selling my products in my shop. So if I open it, you will see that I have different lengths. I can choose one. And as I've mentioned in my WhatsApp message, the customer can get 10% if they are coming into my store. So I will click on the percentage, and they will receive 10% directly. So now I can choose a customer, will receive this message. So let's say that it's Manon. We can do the payment. She's paying by card, so we can validate it. And then you will see that we can send the invoice by email, but also directly by WhatsApp. So we save paper, we save time, and she can get everything in one centralized conversation into a WhatsApp application. So I will send it by WhatsApp, and then we will receive it directly in my WhatsApp app. Here, it takes a few seconds. So here it is. I have my receipt. This is directly synchronized with my point of sale application. So now I can go back into my backend. Now, so you have seen I've sent a quotation, I've sent a sale order, now I've sent a post invoice thanks to WhatsApp. But what about promoting a new event by WhatsApp? So imagine that we're organizing a new event because I am opening a new studio. So let's say that I go in my event application. You can see that I have discovered a new studio. Here you will also see that we have a communication tab. So if I open it, you will see that we can send reminder and registration confirmation thanks to email, but also thanks to WhatsApp. So you can see that I can send the event ticket by WhatsApp, for example, 1 hour after each registration, but I can also send a reminder, let's say 1 day before the event starts. So this is about the organization of my event in order to send the event ticket and the reminder. But what if now I just want to promote my event? So let's imagine that I have in my CRM lost leads because they wanted to discover my studio and they didn't have time, so they were just lost leads and I didn't sell any studio shooting or any product or whatever. So what I can do is use my button here, AI, and ask, show me all the lost opportunities with the tag studio. I don't think I have enough Wi-Fi, so I will just do it from here, but Here I have all my lost opportunities from here with the tag studio. And here what I want to do is to reactive them in order to promote my new event and to say to them that we are opening a new studio, and I want to send this message directly from here by WhatsApp. But I don't want to open each of the opportunity. I want to send them directly this WhatsApp message. So what I will be able to do is to select all the opportunity from here, to select the action button, and then I can send a WhatsApp message automatically to all of my opportunities that I've selected. I open this one, I can just select this template. So good news, our new photo studio is ready for you. Grab 50% of all lenses when you visit and register here. And I can put my registration link into the WhatsApp template, and I can send the message directly to all of my opportunities. So this is done. We have seen how to send a quotation, a sale order, an invoice, how to promote a new event. But now, what if we want to automate everything? Because here I've showed you how you can just by a click send a WhatsApp message, but what if you want to automate those WhatsApp messages to be sent? You will use our marketing automation application. So if I go in it, this application will give you the possibility to create campaign, to create workflow based on your customer behavior, based on your needs, based on every application that you have in your database. So let's say that the first WhatsApp message that I've sent is a welcome message for a new opportunity. Here what I will do is that I will target all my leads that are in the stage new, so that every time I have a new opportunity in my CRM, I can send them a welcome message by WhatsApp. So once this target is configured, I can add a new activity, and I have it just there. And the activity type is a WhatsApp message. And then I can choose which template I want to use, and here is the lead, thank you. And I can choose the trigger also, and here I've put 0 hours, so that it means that every time I have a new lead, automatically I will send the WhatsApp message. So this is it for the welcome lead. But now, what about the sale order and the quotation? For the sale order, I will target the sale order, and I will filter on the status sale order. Because in Odoo, when you have a sales in your sales application, first it's a quotation, but it's the same model, so you will have quotation, quotation send, and sale order. So if you really want to target all the real sales that you have in your sales application, you will have to filter on the status sale order. And you can see that I have 6 records, and then what I want to do is to send automatically the sale order by WhatsApp. So I will create an activity type WhatsApp message and send the sale order automatically thanks to my template that is just there. And same ID, the trigger is 0 hours, so that it's sent automatically to my customer. And it's the same ID for the quotation, obviously. But now, what if I want to automate upselling or cross-selling marketing strategy thanks to WhatsApp and thanks to this marketing automation application? I can do it, and this is this campaign, so get a new lens back. So what if I want to target all my customers that have purchased, for example, a lens, and I want to send automatically a WhatsApp message saying, okay, we have a new bag for your lens, don't hesitate to go on our website and to buy this new bag. So what you can do is to target the sale order, and then you will filter on the status sale order, but also on the order lines. Because here you will see that you can target the order lines that you have in your sale order. So here the idea is to target order lines, product category is equal to lens. So that I've configured my configuration for my upselling marketing strategy or cross-selling marketing strategy. And then I can add a new activity, which is a WhatsApp message, of course. I can open it, and here you will see that I have an upsell template. And you will see that here I have the template configuration, but I will show it to you in 2 minutes. So here, thanks to marketing automation, everything can be automatically sent through WhatsApp to your customer according to your needs and according to your marketing strategy. Now, how did we set up those templates? Thanks to Odoo, of course, but thanks to the WhatsApp application. So let me show you. Here we have the WhatsApp application. You can see that we have all of my templates. Several are made by Odoo bots, so they're like by default on your database according to the application that you have in your database. They're already approved by Odoo by Meta, so if I open one, you will see that I cannot adapt everything in the text and so on. And if you want to adapt it, or if you want to create a new template, you will have to configure your own WhatsApp business account. So by default, when you will download the WhatsApp application, you will have a demo Odoo account. But if you keep it, you will also get access, you will only get access to the templates that are already in the database. If you want to create new, if you want to adapt to one, you will need to configure your own WhatsApp business account. We have some documentation and some video online in order to show you how to configure it. And once it's done, you can configure your own template. So let me take an example. Here for the lead, thank you. You will see that I have hello, then a number, and then my text. And the number here is a variable. So if I open this tab here, you will see that I have the body 1, which refers to the one that I have in my template, in my WhatsApp template. And I can choose that this variable is a type field of model, and I can choose the field that is linked to it. So in our case, what I want to do is to send a WhatsApp message saying hello with the name of my opportunity, so with the name of Manon in this example, and then I choose the field contact name. So the fields are related to the target that you have here. So here my target is the lead, so I will find all the field, all the dynamic field that I have in my CRM application. Same here is the same ID for the quotation. Here my target is the sale order, so I will find all the variables that are linked to the field that I have in my sale order. So for example, here in the body, I have several variables, and if I check it in the configuration, you can see that we can target the partner ID, the name of the customer, the company ID, the currency, because it can be in dollars, it can be in euro, and the total amount of the sale order, and then everything is dynamically adapted into my WhatsApp template. So let Odoo remember what you forget, let WhatsApp stay human but smarter, and let your business breathe again. All of this is not about technology, it's about being human, but with the right tool behind you. So Odoo and WhatsApp. Thank you for listening, and let's go to the Q&A session.
Okay, thank you, Charlene. First question, can the sending of a WhatsApp message be automated, scheduled? For example, sending a reminder for the next order 6 months after the last order was placed.
Yeah, so it's what I've shown in marketing automation. You can really create the schedule of the automation. So here, for example, the sale order, I can say, okay, the creation of the order was last 6 months or whatever, and I can send this message like in the trigger 6 months after the beginning of the workflow. So I can really trigger the sending of the WhatsApp message.
Great. How much costs WhatsApp?
It doesn't cost anything. It depends on how many WhatsApp templates you will send. So it's more related to meta documentation. But I think if you have a standard account in WhatsApp, you can send like 250 templates a day.
Can you configure different numbers in the Odoo database? I'm guessing different WhatsApp number.
Yeah, so you can configure different WhatsApp numbers, but then you will need to get different WhatsApp business accounts in it.
Simple question, but what if the customer doesn't have WhatsApp?
Then you cannot target him.
So we have a question on the availability of WhatsApp. So since which version is WhatsApp available?
Since 18.
Okay. Can you track the message opening rates?
Yeah, so not exactly the message opening rate, but for example here in the sale order, I've seen that Manu has ordered the sign directly, but I cannot track that she has opened it directly from a sale order or from Chatter, but thanks to marketing automation, if you send a WhatsApp message, so for example, here the welcome lead, you can, thanks to a child activity, say, okay, if she opened or she didn't open my WhatsApp message, I can send another WhatsApp, or I can create a server action, or I can send an email, and so on. So thanks to marketing automation, you can track it, but it's the only way.
There's a follow-up question on the first one with the marketing automation. So can this be done? So sending the next order 6 months after the last order was placed for multiple customer or orders, or do you have to do it one by one?
No, so it will be adapted dynamically. So imagine that if I go in my campaigns here, the sale order, we see that I have 6 records. Then if tomorrow I have another sale order, I will have 7 records here, and he will receive the WhatsApp message. So it's really dynamic.
I would say there's also a question on how WhatsApp in Odoo can be used not just for one-to-one communication, but to proactively start a group conversation with, for example, event attendees to share information before and after the event.
Yeah, for now it's not possible. It's a feedback that we received a lot, so we will check it with the product owner, but for now it's not possible.
And I think the rest of the questions are kind of the same, so we can stop here.
Thank you.
You.